Hello, 6th grade. In this video, we're going to do some science. In science class, you guys are working on IXL with speed and different calculations you can do with different amounts of information. So the first section that I chose to do was section 1 in G. You were told to do, just practice stuff in section G of 6th grade science. So here it is. I got one wrong on purpose so that I could show you guys the calculator, or not the calculator, the formula that you need to find speed. So speed is equal to distance divided by time. So if you take any distance that you have, divide it by how long it took, you'll find your speed. IXL breaks us down into 3 sections: easy, medium, and hard. So I'll do a couple of each. Because I have a teacher account, can skip through, so I don't have to do as many as you. So here we go. So a submarine moved underwater at a steady pace for 2 hours. It moved 86 kilometers in that time. What was the submarine's speed? So again, we have to do distance by time. Our distance, and let me get my little marker out here. Our distance is 86 kilometers. I don't know the abbreviation for kilometer. I'm just writing a K. And it's km. And our what was the other thing we needed? Our time. The time it took for them to travel 86 kilometers was 2 hours. Oopsies. Forgot to select time. And then we know we just have to divide distance by time. So 86, that wasn't very good. 86 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times, nothing left over. 2 goes into 6 3 times with nothing left over. So our answer should be 43 kilometers per hour. If we type that in, oops, I forgot to click the box. Type that in, boop, boop. We are correct. I'll do another one like that. So again, we're doing distance divided by time. In this problem, it says a caterpillar crawled through a garden at a steady speed. It crawled 160 millimeters in 16 seconds. What was the calculator? What was the caterpillar's speed? So he crawled 160 millimeters and 16 seconds. So we just need to do 160 divided by 16. 16 goes into 1 0 times. 0, 16. 16 goes into 16 one time. We're left with a 0. So our answer is 10. Get my pop-up keyboard. We can write 10. And now we'll go to the next stage. It's the same process, it's just the answer is not going to be a whole number. If you read the problem, okay, maybe it will be a whole number, maybe it won't, I don't know. The last time I looked at it, it said round to the nearest tenth, so we'll figure it out. A seagull flew a steady speed for 0.5 seconds. It flew 4 meters in that time. What was its speed? So again, speed is distance by time. So distance time. Our distance was 4 meters. Our time was 0.5 seconds. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to have a calculator. For the sake of space and time, I'm going to use a calculator. Up on my screen, I just need a mouse. So 0.5, 4 divided by 0.5 is 8. So is our answer 8? I might have did it backwards. If we get the wrong answer, we know why. Ah! And I'll do one more. Luca biked 450 meters at a steady speed. He moved that distance in 2.5 minutes. What was Luca's speed? Write your answer as a whole number. So again, we'll do some distance divided by time. Our distance was 450 meters. Our time was 2.5 minutes. So we would do 450 divided by 2.5. Going to use my calculator again. So we have 450 divided by 2.5. So it should have taken him 180 meters per minute. Let's get that in. And ta-da! And then I'll do the next section. It just has more information for you. So speed is always distance divided by time. Near a coral reef, a barracuda passed a mackerel that was swimming at 1.2 meters per second. After passing the mackerel, the barracuda swam 18 meters in 1.5 seconds at a steady speed. What was the barracuda's speed? So our distance was 18 and our speed was 1.5. I did not work through these yet, so I'm not sure if I have the correct idea, but we're learning together, guys. So we should just have to do 18 divided by 1.5. So let me get that handy dandy calculator out. We have 18 divided by 1.5. That's a whole number, so I feel like that's wrong, but I'm going to put it in there anyways. Then we can learn how it wants us to do it. 1.2. Mess up something? I feel like I messed up something. Oh, I missed the decimal. 18 divided by 1.5 is 12. So this is why decimal places and making sure you write correctly, or in my case, click, is important. But now that we know that it's the same, this next one will be easy. So this problem says Edgar pushed a shopping cart at a steady speed for 6 seconds. During that time, Edgar's daughter jogged past him at 2.4 meters per second, and the cart moved 9.6 meters. What was the cart's speed? So speed is always distance divided by time. We know our distance was 9.6 meters, and our time was 6 seconds. This part right here is just kind of distractor. So we need to do 9.6 by 6. Aha, see, the 10th place. So it changed a little bit. So now we do 9.6 divided by 6, 1.6 meters per second. 1.6. Now check it this time. We got that decimal. And I'll do one more since I kind of messed up the first one. Draw a maple tree seed fell 180 centimeters in 1.5 seconds at a steady speed. As the seed fell, a butterfly flew past it at 220 centimeters per second. What was the seed speed? So again, speed is distance divided by time. These third level problems are just more complex word problems, so they throw in information that you don't necessarily need to make sure that you understand what information you need to solve the problem. We just need the distance that the seed went and the time that it took. So it tells us that it took 180 centimeters 180 centimeters distance, and it did that in 1.5 seconds. This butterfly isn't part of our problem. It wants to know about the seed, so that's all useless nonsense, just trying to distract us. So we need to do 180 divided by 1.5. So 180, I missed the 1. 180 divided by 1.5 is 120. This one says whole number, so let's put that in there. And boom. So if you guys have any questions, if you're confused about anything, if you don't know where I got my numbers or the formula, feel free to reach out to me. You can text me, message me through Canvas, whatever you guys need to do, I'm here to help. Hope this helps you. Have a good rest of your day.